about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Ever so slightly so you can see. I'm sure many of you have wondered what we can actually see when reversing, and what we was on about when we said about reversing bays and how dangerous they are if you are, you know, standing behind us. So here's our example. We're at the Trafford Centre. That into reverse. Check the blind spot. Front mirrors. Normally I'd have that window open ever so slightly. So as you can see, our view of our vehicle from behind is not very much. So I hope you found this bit of video very interesting and helpful. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.